thank the Cabinet Secretary for advance sight of his statement. Scottish Labour also welcomes Europe Day 2023. We agree the Tories have made a mess of Brexit, and I would urge Conservative MSPs to lobby their government not to make matters worse with the EU Retain Law Bill. The SNP, as has been said, has a commitment to align with EU law, but like so many other areas, its rhetoric doesn't match its record. Mr Robertson hasn't always supported EU treaties either. In fact, he previously described the Lisbon Treaty as completely and utterly unacceptable. So what is the Government's criteria for aligning or not with EU law now, and how widely will they consult on their approach? The Cabinet Secretary also mentions Erasmus, but why are Scottish students still waiting for a replacement programme when Labour has created one in Wales? And finally, maybe Angus Robertson should have indulged his own conspiracy of silence. The Lisbon Treaty, 2014, the Erasmus failure. The Tories have made a mess. Only a UK Labour government can clean it up. Perhaps it's time for the SNP to accept their irrelevance and get out of the way.
Cabinet Secretary.
Well, can I begin by welcoming Neil Bibby to his new position? I look forward to working with him constructively where we can. It's a shame that we don't have a lot of clarity from his question about where Scottish Labour is on the position on European alignment. Growing up, grew up with a Scottish Labour Party with names like Bruce Millan, a European Commissioner, of David Martin, a Vice President of the European Parliament, of Janie Buchan, a long-standing MEP in the European Parliament. And it's not the same party that we are hearing today, indeed not the same party questioning what the Scottish Government is doing. No welcome for the target of remaining aligned with the European Union, and the chimera, the imaginary situation that the Labour Party is going to, quote, clear up the Tories' Brexit mess by sticking with the same policy. I mean, it's absolutely inconceivable that there will be any difference whatsoever. Notwithstanding the fact that Anas Sarwar has described Brexit as an economic disaster, the Labour Party is going to continue with it. A party led by Keir Starmer saying it's not going to reconsider the UK's position within the European Union, is not going to reconsider the United Kingdom's position in the single market, and is not going to reconsider the disaster, the ending of free movement of people. Labour really must do much better. It should embrace the policies and approach of the past and not ape the Tories, as they've done, sadly, again today.